Hello beautiful souls and welcome to my channel. Today I'm gonna share with you one traditional Moroccan beauty secrets. To prepare this mask we need chickpeas powder, turmeric powder and rose water. You can use cold water also if you don't have rose water. I am using this rose water from Morocco, but you can use any brand of your choice. If you are suffering from dark spots due to pregnancy or sun, if you want to brighten your skin, to clear pigmentation, to rejuvenate your skin, and to reduce wrinkles, this traditional and organic mask is for you. This mask has been used since centuries by Moroccan women. It is a very known mask in Morocco. In summertime, we use a lot this mask to brighten our skin after spending days in the beach. You can use this mask twice a week. Masks are usually used in the evening time before going to bed. Unless you are invited to a party or celebration, you can then use this mask before applying your makeup. So, let's see how we can prepare this mask. We need 1 teaspoon of chickpeas and we're gonna sift our powder. This step is very important. We wanna have like a soft powder that will not harm our face. So I'm gonna keep sifting my powder and I'm gonna do the same for the turmeric. And you can see that we're gonna get rid of the lumps. We don't need them in our recipe. As you can see, we have like a very soft and nice mixture of chickpeas. And I'm gonna take 1 level spoon of turmeric, and also I'm gonna sift my powder. This step, as I said before, is very important. You guys can see the lumps that I'm gonna get rid of. And this is the final products. You can see how they look soft. They are soft actually. I'm gonna mix my powder, the chickpeas and the turmeric powder all together. I sifted my powder for the first time and now I'm gonna sift it for the second time. And why I'm doing this? Just because I wanna get a final product that is soft and smooth and will not harm my face. As I said, those are important steps to prepare this mask. I'm gonna keep sifting. Make sure that everything is mixed together. And I still have some lumps that I'm gonna get rid of. And voila, you can see that I have a unified color for my product and it looks very nice. I put my mixture in this bowl. As you can see, the color is unified now. It looks very nice and smooth. And I'm gonna mix it with the rose water. I have this rose water from Morocco, but you can use any brand of your choice. It's written in French, eau de rose, it's rose water. And of course, if you don't have rose water, you can mix your mask with cold water. And slowly, I'm gonna mix this powder until I get a smooth and a soft mask that I can apply to my face. Also, we can apply this mask on our neck if you have any darkness on your neck, and I use this most of the time. And if anything left for you for this mask, you can use it on your hands also. I'm gonna keep mixing my powder with the back of the spoon. I'm gonna wipe this product, this mask, until I get a soft mask. When we sift our powders like the chickpeas and the turmeric, it becomes easy for us to get a soft mask with no lumps, and you can see it's very soft. Now my mask is mixed and ready to be applied on the face. My mask is now ready and mixed. See how it looks. After almost 20 minutes, my mask is now dry. Now I'm gonna remove this mask from my hand, and I have placed a saran wrap on the table, and we're gonna need a piece of cotton and water. I'm gonna dip my cotton in water, and in circular movement I'm gonna remove the mask. You don't need really to use a piece of cotton. You can do this only with your hands if you want. I'm just showing you here so you can see exactly what you guys are expected to be doing. you need to do this step. Don't just go and wash your face, uh, because it's gonna be really like dry, and you need this moisture like to remove your mask easily. And after you wash it, I washed my hand with warm water. You can see the result. My skin looks glowing and shiny. This is exactly what you're gonna have as a result. When you wash your face, wash it with warm water, then after that with cold water, and you can see how it looks like. You can see the difference between the other hand, which I didn't apply anything on it. The color is not similar and doesn't look the same like the other one, which I applied the mask on it. And at this time, we're gonna need a piece of cotton, and we're gonna need again rose water. We're gonna dip the rose water in the cotton in the rose water, and with circular movement, you guys can apply this to your face and to your neck. I like to spray rose water if I have it, rather than using the cotton. And if you have a spray, just be generous and apply it, spray it on your face, on your neck, and leave it to dry. Don't dry it with the towel, just leave it to dry. This was the video I suggest to you guys. If you like it, give it a like and subscribe to my channel, share with your friends, and I'm gonna see you soon. Thank you for watching.